In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily remove the background of an image for Google Slides specifically designed for students. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to Google Slides. If you're not already familiar, Google Slides is part of Google's suite of productivity tools, allowing you to create stunning presentations online. Make sure you're signed into your Google account as you'll need access to use all its features effectively. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, you'll have two options. You can either click on Blank Presentation to start a new project, or select a template that suits your needs. Choosing a blank presentation is great for a clean slate, but templates can be a time saver due to their preset designs. Now, with your presentation open, the next step is critical. Choosing an image. Select an image that you want to use in your project by clicking the Insert tab and then selecting Image. You can then upload an image from your computer or choose one from online sources that Google Slides offers. Once you've got your image in the presentation, it's time to move to the next crucial stage, removing its background. To do this, click on Extensions in the top menu bar. If you haven't already, you'll need to download the Background Remover for Images extension. Such extensions can broaden the functionality of Google Slides, introducing features not available by default. After your extension is properly installed, return to the Extensions menu. You should find the Background Remover for Images listed there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Select the Open option from this menu to proceed. This will initiate the toolbar for the Background Remover extension. Now here comes the exciting part. Simply click on Start Remove. The tool works automatically, detecting the parts of the image that aren't part of the main subject and removing the background seamlessly. And there you have it. Your image now has a transparent background, making it versatile for layering on any background color or design within your presentation. This is especially handy for making your slides more visually appealing without distraction. To recap, we started by accessing Google Slides, selecting a presentation format, inserting an image, using the extensions menu to apply the background remover, and finally executing the Start Remove function to clean the image background. By following these steps, you will have mastered the technique of cutting out image backgrounds in your presentations, ensuring your slides stand out beautifully. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more educational content.